Hello learners, today we're going to study about main and auxiliary verbs. So let's get started. The main verb is the most important verb in a sentence. The main verb expresses the main action or state of being in the sentence. Read the sentences. I drive my car every day. I am very happy. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs used with main verbs. They show the tense of the verbs. They're also used in forming questions, negatives, and the passive. Read the sentences. Monica has finished her painting at last. Does Monica dance as well? I know Monica doesn't sing well. Monica is waiting for her school bus. This is a chart of most of the auxiliary verbs. Number 1. Am, are, is, was, were, be, being, been, do, does, did, have, has, had, etc. Now let's go through some of the exercises to help us solve and apply what you have learned just now. Underline the auxiliary verbs and rewrite the sentences in the simple present or simple past tense. An example has been given to you. My brother is playing basketball with his friends. The answer would be, my brother plays basketball with his friends. So let's solve the remaining 4 questions by yourself and pause the video to see the answer after some time.